Hello and welcome you all at IDEC Intelligence Series 2021, designed by Leader of Today for the Leaders of Tomorrow. Intelligence Series 2021 is a networking platform which is driven by knowledge sessions by the building professionals, followed by project presentations and architectural and design awards.
I've been associated with IDEC from the first series, and it is honor and pride to be a curator for this program today. What I like about it is the only one program in the country which kind of creates a confluence of architects, structural consultant, MEP consultants, landscape consultants, and which is a very beautiful concept, and it is very inspiring to see that young architects are taking part on this program and this competition. Best wishes to IDEC for continuing this good work.
The best part about this conference is that it was very much needed. It's happening after, I think, a year and 6 months. During the pandemic, we have not had any interaction with our fellow architects, colleagues. We've not had any interaction in seeing other people's works, the presentation, and general chit-chat and catching up with fellow professionals. So that has been the best part and very, very much needed.
स्पेशली ये जो फंक्शन था और जो आर्किटेक्ट इवेंट था, उसमें जो सिंपोलो ने जो प्रोडक्ट लॉन्च किया है, जो मेनली हमने किचडेक और सैपस्टोन दो प्रोडक्ट किचन प्लेटफॉर्म के लिए लॉन्च की। तो आज की डेट में किचन प्लेटफॉर्म में प्रोडक्ट अवेलेबिलिटी कम था ड्यू टू सरफेस डिजाइंस एंड टोन। तो सिंपोलो ने वो प्रॉब्लम देखा, तो बेसिकली हमने पोस्ट सरफेस इंट्रोड्यूस किया है विद IM+ टेक्नोलॉजी। दूसरा चीज़ हमने जो इंट्रोड्यूस किया है वो किया है सागा कलेक्शन, जो DDD टेक्नोलॉजी, उसमें भी हमने पोस्ट सरफेस किया है। तो बेसिकली यहाँ जो इंटीरियर आर्किटेक्ट से जो हमने इंटरेक्शन किया, उसको ये प्रोडक्ट बहुत अच्छा पसंद आया और बेसिकली दे नीड।
We were presenting our project, the Glamping Refuge, here at IDEC, and we are really happy to be here.
We are very excited to have won this competition. Woohoo! It was lovely with the competitors and the other teams that presented. I believe those are good projects as well, and we feel privileged to have been considered worthy winners. I don't know.
I could only say we are very excited, and we are very excited what happens next.
When we receive call from IDEC and to present our the project, so it was really appreciable, and we really love the experience we had, and the environment, the ambience was really good. We, after so many months, we met our the colleagues and architects, so I really appreciate. Thank you.
I think this kind of activity is good for any company. Here so many PMCs and architects and interior are here, so they are not giving us a very easily appointment there. They are not ready to see the products. Or here we can feel that we very happily and enjoyingly they came here and they see our product and they meet us very friendly. So this kind of environment is good.
This is a wonderful conference because essentially what it does is it brings together different people involved in construction activity. It has the architects, it has the interior designers, it has the landscape designers, it has the MEP consultants, it has the structural engineers, and even contractors, and they all come together and showcase the work they have done.